Blessed with unique geographic position, distinct physiographic, edaphic and climatic zones and gradients, the Indian subcontinent abounds a very rich and diverse fauna with high percentage of endemism. The biological wealth and associated traditional knowledge systems of India offer excellent opportunities for harnessing the biocultural diversity for generation, protection and maintenance of intellectual property rights in the domains of herbals and other national product development technologies and related knowledge-based commercial and industrial ventures. The UN Convention on Biological Diversity, which was signed by over 171 countries in June 1992 at Rio and came into force on 29 December 1993, explicitly recognizes the sovereign rights of the states over their biological resources. It binds the signatory nations to three important goals: to respect, preserve and maintain traditional knowledge, to promote adoption of traditional knowledge, and to encourage equitable sharing of benefits arising from the utilization of such knowledge. It is in this context and background that way back in 1976, Professor M.S. Swaminathan, then Director General of Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Government of India, felt the urgent need to undertake ethnobiological survey and study of the indigenous communities of the country for recording and documenting the fast disappearing lifestyles of wisdom and knowledge of these people.
The very important role of community conservation, people conserving material over a long period of time, the flora, the fauna, the whole ecosystem, was not given that recognition, nor did it receive any reward at all. In fact, local communities, tribal men, most times women, tribal women, rural women, have been conserving biodiversity of great value for health security, food security, and also for the security of the ecosystem, almost at personal cost for public good. There are very few people who will conserve things for public good at their own personal cost.
Subsequently, Dr. T.N. Khoshu, the then Director General, National Botanical Research Institute, had prepared a project proposal on All India Coordinated Research Project on Ethnobiology, and Dr. P. Pushpangdan, then a scientist at Regional Research Laboratory, Jammu, was appointed as Principal Investigator and Chief Coordinator of this project.
And then we opened 27 centers in the country, and one center was at the southern India in Kerala. And I made a point to visit all the centers along with the team. I used to lead the team to the forest areas.
It was during a research trip to the state of Kerala in 1987 that Dr. Pushpangdan and his team noticed something unusual. They found that Kani tribal folk, guiding them through the jungle, remained energetic and agile by eating a certain wild fruit. When Dr. Pushpangdan and his team of scientists were offered these foods, they too felt a flush of energy and strength. Pleasantly surprised, they asked their escorts about the fruit. Reluctant to reveal what they claimed was secret tribal knowledge, it was after much persuasion that they agreed to show the plant from which they collected the fruits.